Hey friends! If you're an avocado toast lover like me, you know there's nothing more satisfying than starting your day with a slice of creamy, delicious avocado toast. But let's be honest, after a while, classic toast and avo can get a bit, well, samey. So today I'm diving into some super fun, creative, and of course healthy avocado toast combos, all brought to life in a playful claymation world. Let's get those taste buds excited and our breakfast routines refreshed. First up, the Mediterranean dream. Imagine a thick slice of whole grain bread, toasted to golden perfection. Spread on your avocado, then sprinkle juicy cherry tomato halves, crumbly feta cheese, a handful of Kalamata olives, and a dash of za'atar spice. It's bright, zesty, and packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. Next, I love channeling brunch vibes with my Sunrise Crunch toast. Top your avocado spread with sliced radishes, microgreens, and a soft-boiled egg. For an extra kick, add a little pinch of chili flakes. The yolk adds protein, while the radishes bring that satisfying crunch. Plus, it looks amazing, even in clay. Now, if you're craving something sweet, try my tropical twist. Smear your toast with ripe avocado, layer on thin mango slices, sprinkle with coconut flakes, and finish with a drizzle of lime juice. It's like a vacation for your mouth, but still loaded with vitamins and fiber. For those who want extra greens, I go for the garden party. Start with your usual avocado base, then pile on thin cucumber ribbons, pea shoots, and just a hint of fresh dill. Finish with a squeeze of lemon. It's super refreshing and hydrating, perfect for those sunny mornings. And let's not forget the protein powerhouse. After your creamy avo, add smoked salmon, capers, a few red onion rings, and a sprinkle of black pepper. You get healthy omega-3s and a savory upgrade to your breakfast. The best part? All these ideas are totally customizable. Swap the bread for gluten-free, go vegan with plant-based cheese, or add your favorite nuts and seeds for crunch. So next time you're in the kitchen, get creative. Avocado toast is a blank canvas. Make it colorful, make it nutritious, and most importantly, make it fun. Thanks for joining me in this claymation kitchen adventure. If you have your own wild avo toast ideas, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy food inspiration. See you soon!